That's a fist. Not seeing my hand. That's not a hand. There's a hand. Hello world. Welcome to the 94th video on my channel where I'm building my own digital assistant named Shane, like Jarvis from the Iron Man movies and comics. In this Shane update, we'll be using something called a HAAR cascade to do some hand detection. I'll also show you how to download files from Github, since that confuses a lot of beginners. We'll be using 4 different .xml files to show off the different HAAR cascades of a hand that I found on GitHub. And so as you saw from my introduction, some of them aren't good. I did find one that's decent, and so we'll probably need to make our own in a future video. First, let's go through the new code we need from our previous video on this channel, and or the previous video on this channel, and from our Shane Updates playlist. So depending on how you got here, it's the previous video no matter what. So the rest of this information is from the previous video. Please make sure to watch that. I'll put a card so you can watch that video. And then we're going to do a variable called hand cascade equals cv2.capital capital classifier. Then we're going to pass it the XML file. And so depending on which version of Python and which version of OpenCV you're using, you might have to put it in a data folder in the root folder. So whatever project you're working on, data, and then the file name. So that's what I had to do to make this work. But most tutorials will just see it like that, and you can put the file, so this one can go into the root file where everything else is. But for mine, I had to put it in a data folder. So data. Okay, the rest of it is the same code. Now I did just call one thing a blue color and pass that throughout. If you saw in my previous video, I just repeated myself a lot. So now I can just change this and everything else will change accordingly. And then we're just going to do hands equals, so new variable called hands, equals hand cascade, which we defined up here, dot detect, capital M for multi, capital S for scale, so dot detect multiscale. And then we're going to pass it this gray, which we defined up here. Then we're going to pass this 1.1 and 5. So you'll have to look at the documentation. This is not a tutorial, so you can see what those are. And then for X, Y, W, H, so that is the X coordinate, the Y coordinate, the width, and the height in hands. So it's going to find all of that information in this HAAR cascade. Then we're going to draw a rectangle onto the frame on the X and Y coordinates plus the width and height. Oh, that should be H, I imagine. Then we're going to pass it a green color. Oops. And then a border width of 2. Alright, and then no other code needs to be updated. So let's try this, see what happens. Alright, let's run it again. Okay, so it doesn't like my left hand, so the HAAR cascade might have been trained on the right hand. So there you go. So it is placing a green border around what it identifies as a hand, but not the fist. Now I did download a fist HAAR cascade file, so fist. So let's run that, and you might have saw from my introduction, but that can identify my wrist. So there's the fist, but it does not recognize the hand. Fist has to be, if it's too strong. Oh, there it goes. Okay, and then again, oh, it does like my left fist. So this is a pretty good HAAR cascade. I will send a link. I'll put a link to every single HAAR cascade to give credit to the owner of the creators. And so, um, how you get these HAAR cascade? So let's go to one real quick. Okay, so we're on this GitHub page right here, and you see these HAAR cascade, and then and so I downloaded this one, the Palm, and this one was pretty good. I called it Hand 2, and I'll put a link to this. But what you can't do on GitHub is right click it and save link as. So it'll save as type XML document, but when you go to use it in your code, it will not recognize it. You'll get kind of three separate errors. And so the way to do download from GitHub is you go to the actual root of it. So this member right here, I'm not even going to try to say his name, has an OpenCV library. So let's go back to that. And this is where he saved all his codes. So you download this zip, okay, show in folder, and then you can either extract it all or just take out the one file you wanted. Mine was Palm. So I move that to my root folder with data, and then you use it. So that's how you get files from GitHub. So, and then whenever you use it, if you have a YouTube channel or whatever, make sure you source the person you took it from. That's one of the best things about our programming world is open source, but make sure you give credit to where credit is due. And so there's jokes and memes that say when you get 1,000 YouTube followers, you feel great. When you get 100 upvotes on Reddit, you feel even better. But getting one follower on GitHub feels amazing. So whenever you can, um, please source your GitHub where you get it from. All right, so that's pretty much it. So my favorite one was the one we showed here, this Hand 2. I have 4 separate ones. I will leave a link in the description so you can play around if you're following this. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and then leave a comment if you think you have a better HAAR cascade file that you want me to use. But in a future video, I think I'm just going to use my own for now. So thanks for watching. Goodbye, world.